It's now 2026, which means it is time for a big 2026 reset and revamp. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to become the best version of me in 2026. Plus, I'm going to give you a long-awaited room tour. But before we do that, we need to get rid of these Christmas bedding because it has now been Christmas. I would just like to say I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and a happy new year to you guys. This year is for us. We are going to become better versions of ourselves in 2026. Everyone is, I know we are. So let's get started. I'm going to change the sheets. Here we go. Back to my nice white bedding. Looks so much better now, so much cleaner. Okay, now that is done, I'm also going to quickly clean my mirror because it's looking a little dirty. Just so I'm more prepared to show you all of my room in full depth because I haven't done that. And last year my Christmas present was to get my room done. So it is time to go on my walk. We have our friend's dog as well, Bo and Bubbles. So I'm going to take them both with me and we're going to go on a walk. It's probably not going to be too long because it's very cold out today. So let's go. I have left the house. I found a hat. I've never taken two dogs out for a walk before. It's going okay so far, but I've literally only left about 1 minute ago. Like I say, I'm not going to go on a very long walk. Here they are. It's so quiet. I feel like I need to like whisper or something. I don't know what's going on. No one's out. This is my view. Usually it looks a lot nicer than this, but I've got half snow, half normal fields. And then the dogs are both right there. Now it is time for my room tour. As you walk in, this is what you see. Behind my door I have all my hoodies. This is actually a joint hoodie, a double hoodie. This one, and then this is a new one I got for Christmas. And then in here is my first wardrobe. Bags and bits up there. Clothes, obviously, and then more bags, and that is a parcel that needs to be returned. This is where all my drawers are, which have all my clothes and bits in. We have no heating at the minute. Our heating has stopped because of how old the house is and how cold it is. Anyway, ignore that heater there. I have a bookshelf sort of thing here, and picture here, and some flowers that Kai got me there. Here we have my perfumes, candles, just bits and bobs. Here is like my bags and bits. These flowers Kai actually made me, but made them out of like ribbon. We have a mirror, which is like a distorted mirror. So this is one bedside table, and then obviously you've got my main bed and three of my favourite teddies. The one with Kai on it will always be the funniest one, which is what Rosie got me for Christmas last year. We have the same thing as over there. Got this diffuser for Christmas and I'm loving it. This is what Kai got me last year for Christmas actually. And then here is some pampas grass, which was like one of the first things that I got. I think this was actually a Christmas present. And I have this little chair, which I don't actually sit on, it's just for decoration. Another heater here because of how cold it is. This is storage in here. These are really handy. And then this is my desk. And this is my diamond painting, which is my favourite thing to do at the minute. I'm loving it. This chair is so comfortable as well. So this is my desk where I do lots of my work on. And then over here, I've got another one of these, but it's got hair stuff in underneath. Then here is all the rest of my teddies. This was my childhood teddy that I got when I was a baby, and I've always kept it. In here is my second wardrobe. I'm not going to open that because it's very messy in there, so I'm not even going to show you that. And then here is my vanity desk area. So I have my nice big chair here, and then my mirror with all the lights. In here is all of my makeup and hair bits, which I use all the time. And that is it really. That is my room tour done. Please let me know if you guys like my room. I love it. I think it's so cozy, and so much more me. I'm so glad that I changed it. But finally, after a year, you have now got my room tour. Now it's time for me to tell you guys what I'm going to be doing in 2026 to better myself. So, as you may remember, last year I did 75 medium. This year I'm going to be doing 75 hard. I started this yesterday, and obviously today is my second day. I'll be finishing on the 21st of March, I think it is. And I'm going to give you a little rundown of what I'm doing during my 75 hard, like what my rules are. Be more time efficient, because I really struggle with that and I feel like I'm always late to everything. So being more time efficient and setting a goal for me to be more time efficient should really, really help me. So I really hope that it does. My next one is 8,000 to 10,000 steps a day, which is very important. Steps are very important. 1 walk every day is another one. 1 workout a day. Another one is to make my bed every morning, because I got a bit out of routine with that, like over Christmas. So make my bed every morning is a big one. 1 hour off my screens. This can be any time during the day, but it probably will always be of an evening. And this will be to do my diamond painting, which I just showed you guys, because I am loving doing it. Or it will be reading, so one of the two. My next one is eating whole foods. So this is very important to me, to making sure like my gut is healthy and everything else like that. So eating whole foods is very important. Next one, which is quite a task, is no sugar. And this is only a goal for me because where I'm working with sugar constantly for my job, I just want to dial that down a bit. So I'm going no sugar. I have done it, so I know that I can do it. And day 2 so far, I have been making cookies all day today. And it's been very tempting, but I have not eaten any of it. Next one is no alcohol, only on special occasions. So Brooke's 18th birthday is coming up, so I'll allow myself to have a drink or 2 then. But other than that, none on a random weekday, which I don't anyway. Drink at least 2 litres of water a day, and then at least 7 hours of sleep a night. I'm going to tick off some of my things that I've done so far today. I still obviously have a few things to do for this evening to finish off bits, but thought we could tick them off together. I've made my bed. I have been more time efficient today. I'm not going to do that until the end of the night because I've still got more walking to do. 1 workout done. 1 walk done. I've not done this yet. Eat whole foods. I have done this so far today, but I haven't had dinner. But I do know what I'm having, and I know it is whole foods, but I'm going to wait until the end of the day. No sugar, again, going to wait, but I haven't done it so far. No alcohol, I'm not going to drink any tonight, so I'll tick that. Drink at least 2 litres of water. I haven't done that so far, but I'm nearly there. And then at least 7 hours of sleep. I got that last night. Perfect. I want to know your guys' 2026 New Year's resolutions, so put them in the comments down below and I will read through them all. My New Year's resolution was to be more time efficient, like I've got on there, and to be in a better position than I was last year in terms of my fitness. Last year was my pre-run for my fitness. This year, lock in time. I have one last thing that I want to do with you guys, which I'm really excited to do because I've never actually properly done this before. This isn't going to be like a proper one, but I want to create a little mood board full of quotes. So I know now a lot of people do mood boards where they include their goals, but I just want to do one on some quotes that I have found and put it as my MacBook lock screen. So I downloaded all of these the other day. I think a lot of them are quite similar. I literally just searched up what is the best place to do a mood board and it said Canva. So we're going to do it on Canva. Okay, I've cropped them all, so I'm just going to give them a little move around. I am all done. I actually love this so much. It's so much better than I expected. And by the way, I got all of these from Pinterest. I just downloaded them and then added them to Canva. I'm going to add it to my lock screen now. Oh, I actually love this. This looks so good. That is going to get me motivated. Okay, now that is done, that means that it is the end of the video, but I want you to all make sure that you comment down below what your New Year's resolution or your goal for this year is, because I want to hear it all. I want to know what your guys' goals are and resolutions, and I'll definitely be showing you along my journey for this year. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye!